Yawning seems simple, but scientists are still uncovering why we do it. One theory is that yawning helps cool down the brain. When you take in that deep breath of air, it lowers the temperature inside your head, keeping you alert. Another theory is oxygen exchange. Yawning may help bring more oxygen into the blood when you're tired. But here's the strangest part. Yawning is contagious. If you see someone yawn, you'll probably do it too. Studies show it's linked to empathy. People who are more empathetic are more likely to catch a yawn. So next time you yawn, it might not just be because you're tired. It could be your brain cooling down or even your body showing connection to others. Have you yawned while watching this? Comment below and follow Bright Mind Vault for more everyday science.